So we're in the middle of town, got a demoed building that's kind of grown up since last year. Anyway, we're gonna check this spot out, got permission on it. And it's just a little tiny lot. And then there's a couple other spots around this tent that we're gonna go check out too that we got permission on. So hopefully we'll come out with something good. So we'll see you guys out here on the first find as usual. Alright, so here's my first find today. This was pretty close to the surface. I don't know what this was or what this is. I'll have to clean it up. I thought it was gonna be like the top of a lighter or something, but that's huge. It's got a patent mark on the top too, so let me check that out. Also along with that was this key. Not very old. And then this here, a piece of brass. Not sure what it is. It's pretty fragile right there around the edges. I'll check that out, clean it up. Put all this stuff away. I mean, all this was in just this one little hole, so let's keep going. So I'm still in that same hole. Right here was the initial hole that I dug. And just kind of followed around and dug it out. And pulled this little square nail out of there. And then this, that was going to be a buckle or something at first. You can see those teeth. That's pretty interesting. I'm going to just keep following this, the pinpointer, I guess. Put this away so don't break it. Some more stuff in there too. Let me make sure it's not iron. Yeah, it's iron. But there's something else right there. That one's kind of deep too. Let's stick that one up. Don't worry, I'll put all this back. Plus they're getting ready to put a building here, so. There it is. See, like that looks like a buckle too. Let me turn that off. I don't want to break it. Looks like all this was burned or something. This pit, this area that I'm in right here. I'm gonna take my glove off. This is a Civil War area, so I don't know if that's what I'm getting into here. Yeah, this is some sort of buckle. I don't know if I'm getting to like a fire pit or something like that. That's a pretty cool looking buckle though. I like it. This is the third piece of brass that I pulled out of here. Well, there's another piece right there. I mean, this is all one hole right there. I'm gonna check this area a little bit more. I might have another piece of brass in here too. This metal detector's going off. There it is. Huh. It looks kind of the same as the other one. This one's just kind of melted, it looks like. Or at least bent. It's a really nice green brass buckle. I don't want to bend it here. That's pretty cool. Man, all this in just one little hole. Might just have to dig the whole thing out, I guess. Well, let's take another look with the detector. That's iron. There's something right here. Alright, we'll dig that one up. And for those of you who are screaming in your seats right now about why I'm not putting this hole together, well, it should be obvious. I'm going to put it back together, just not right this second. Let's see where we're at here. Alright, it's in my hand. Just kind of set that down. There it is right there. Is that another buckle? No. This is a piece of brass though. It looks kind of decorative. Huh. Alright, so right there is where I was just digging that little fire pit thing right there. Came over here. It didn't sound that good in the ground. It was 16 to 19. Anyway, so I flipped it up. You can see it sticking out right there. So, oh. Alright. Yeah. It's got like... Oh wow. Check that out. Check that out. That's cool. It's like a watch fob or something like that. It's got a M right there on the front. It's got my initial on it. It's a good day. What is this? Huh. Alright, so I'm not really sure what it is. It might be a watch fob. Alright, let's keep going. Really good solid sound. It's 24-25, so it's probably just a memorial scent. Man, I'd be really upset if it wasn't and I didn't bring you along. You know, all that stuff. So let's dig this memorial scent up together. I don't think it's that at all. Look at that. It's a moon. Alright, next. Alright, so I walked over here to Lamar and he says he's got something for me. So what do you got?
Yeah, I think it's a pretty good one.
Standing Liberty quarter. Man, that thing has been through it and back.
I think it probably was in a fire or something because it sure didn't clean
Yeah,
up.
I think everything over here has been in a fire.
Yeah.
Man, but still, it's a silver Standing Liberty quarter. That's pretty cool. Good job.
Let's take it.
I'll let you have it back. Alright, let's keep going. So we changed locations and I put the big coil on. And I forgot to mention this, but do you see something different there? Lamar And David Finley got me good. Lamar went and got him a Equinox called Texahoma metal detectors, and got him one, got it shipped in just a couple days, in between the days that we detected, which wasn't that long.
Right.
And got him a Equinox.
David talked me into it.
He said David talked him into it. Alright. Alright guys, so we're going to see how Lamar does. Obviously, he's doing pretty well because he got him a Standing Liberty quarter, which is one more silver.
Yeah.
So anyway, let's get to it at this new location. Well, I just took a 25-26 signal, so, and it's my first coin for the day, so I'm not sure what it is just yet. It's probably a memorial with that sound. Yeah. Alright, so there's Lincoln. Hey, I think it's actually a wheat cent. Yeah, it's a wheat cent. What year we got on it? Can't really make that out. Alright, well, got my first wheat today. Show you a picture of it. Well, got 22-23 signal after digging 2 cans. And let's see. That's a wheat signal at 22-23. So I'm thinking that's what this is going to be. There's Lincoln. Looks like it says 40. Yeah. Alright, so it's a wheat. So that's 2 wheats. Let's keep going. Alright, let me show you what I got here. 18, 19. It was 20-21 also in the hole. But I looked down. It's not a pull tab. At least it doesn't look like it. Find out. It is a pull tab. Congratulations. Next. Got a that signal, and it was really sounded like it was on the surface. I thought it was just going to be a surface quarter. But anyway, it's not. It's a buckle. And I had pulled a piece of iron, threw it in my junk pile out of this already. Turns out that's the tongue of it. So I don't think that's all that old. But well, we tried out a couple new spots, and well, let me know what you think. Here's the trash piles. Yeah. And I got 11 cents here. I got 3 wheats. I got that on out of our last spot. That little, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's aluminum, whatever it is. But it's got the M on there, so I like it. Key, top of a lighter. This is a giant lighter. Lamar said it might be like a knockoff Ronson. I thought that was someone's glasses. But this is what I dug in that fire pit. This was the last thing that I pulled out of there. I didn't get it on video, but along with all these buckles, minus this. I pulled all this out of that one fire pit. Here, here, and then that key, of course, and that lighter. But these weren't actually in the fire pit. These were off to the side, but all the rest of this stuff was in that one hole off to the side in the fire pit. I'm still not sure what that is. And that's also a piece of brass. It's very fragile. I'm not really sure. Got a lot of buckles there. I might call this episode Buckle Up. Lamar's got him a wheat. There's that Standing Liberty quarter. He got 2 wheats and a Standing Liberty quarter, so that's fantastic. Oh, and he's got a Ford hubcap. So it looks like a Model T Ford maybe. A little smash, but hey, it'll play. Alright guys, that's it. We're done. It is now 100 and something out. It's miserable. So we're done. And until next time, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you then.